guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you, or I'm gonna demonstrate on how to cancel our order and on Timo application. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser. In my case, I'm using Google. So type Timo here, Google. After that, open this Timo website, www.timo.com. Then you have to log in your account in Timo. So in my case, I already logged in Timo now. So since this is my account, this is the website of Timo and the application at the same time. Now I'm going to click this one. I have already ordered this your profile. Okay, after select your profiles, there's a picture here. Then tap view order or your orders. Then after that, so as we can see, my order is still processing. Will be delivered on 15 or 22 July. So this is my 3 items. I make mistake on my order because I am expected that the description is iPad, but upon verification I discovered that it is only a keyboard, not an iPad. I am decided to cancel. Now just tap here. I'm using mobile phone. So you can tap this one, the 3 dot here. After that, there are 3 options here: cancel items, track, and buy this again. So I'm going to tap cancels items. So there's a message here: you save 237.55 on this order. Are you sure you want to cancel? So save. So keep the order or cancel, or continue to cancel. So I'm going to cancel this one. I'm going to tap continue to cancel. So you can see here, cancel items. I have 3 options here. If I'm going to cancel all, I'm going to check this one. Then tap next. Then select the reasons for cancellation. Forgot to apply coupons. Items would not arrive on time. Need to change payment method. Found cheaper someone else. Items price too high. To change shipping address. Need to change shipping speed. Order created by mistake. So order created by mistake. Description on items I have chosen is not clear or confusing. Next, receive in chickens, Timo credit balance. So appear here. After cancelling, select refund method. Receive in seconds. Timo credit balance never expire. Save means the money will be credited to your account. This is in second only. But should you receive refund, by 14, 17 July. So meaning you can receive the refund original payment method. The specific date depends solely on your financial situation. So I'm going to click this one. Should receive refund by 14 or to 17 July. Original payment method, credit balance, receive in seconds. Tabi split, because I'm using Tabi, which is an installment. So split into 4 payments, 14th July. The specific date depends solely on your financial institution. I'm going to tap submit. So I'm going to refund to original payment method. This cancellation can be undone. Would you like to cancel? So I'm going to select yes, cancel items. Okay. So simply as that, guys. No, very easy to refund. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Hope that this video help you, and if this video help you, please consider subscribing on my channel. Maraming salamat po. Syukran katiran. Thank you very much.